Hello, I'm Guillermo from U-Haul. If you plan on towing a trailer with your Honda Odyssey, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by law. So let's go ahead and break this down for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So today we're installing the wiring on this Honda Odyssey, and to do so, we're going to go ahead and access our wiring harness behind this passenger panel. But to do so, we need to remove this plastic cover. So to remove this paneling, we're going to actually go ahead and twist these two knobs that are located on each side right here and right here. So to remove this plastic paneling, you want to go ahead and just pull it up. We're going to go ahead and use this trim paneling tool. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So we're going to go ahead and access our panel by removing this little knob. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and access our wiring. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this panel back. You can just pull it gently, and you should have your wiring in here. You can go ahead and you can see the connection for your quick connect is right here. So you just wanna go ahead and click it in place. So we're gonna go ahead and ground our white wire to this pre-existing ground bolt. By doing so, we will need a 10mm socket to remove it. So now we're going to go ahead and put it all back together with our white wire attached to it. Alright, so our wiring's all connected now. I'm going to show you the few options that we have to store your 4-flat wiring. So you can go ahead and go through under the carpet, but to do so, you're gonna have to go through grommet and you're gonna have to cut your wires. The customer wants us to leave this wiring in the trunk, so we're going to go ahead and leave it in the trunk for him. So let me go ahead and show you how we use a 4-flat when it's stored in your trunk. So what you wanna go ahead and do is just pull it over your weather sealed, and you can close your trunk, and you have access to your 4-flat wiring. So now we're gonna go ahead and store our converter box back here behind the panel. You can grab all your extra cable and go ahead and store it back here. Close up your panels and put it all back together in reverse order. So our kit does come with a 7.5 fuse, which we're going to go ahead and access our fuse panel off here on the passenger side. And you can see this little tab right here. We're going to go ahead and pull it and insert our fuse that was provided. Now that our wiring is installed, you can go ahead and have fun towing your trailers. Thanks again, have fun. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.